Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Trading currencies 8-week mark. A new trade challenge begins. Analysis http ntvforex.com news ID 3A18B09102026 34:1 AM. Even in the COVID world, historical patterns still emerge, and one of the biggest patterns of the past is the A8-week mark leading up to a US presidential election. FX, equities, and to some extent commodities have been trading on the reopening global economy as they should and have exploded. However, the fact that late last week the US equity markets began to sell off and the USD started to climb, that A8-week pre-election pattern caught our attention for good reason. If we look back at US elections, even including the unexpected Trump election in 2016, equities, on average, ease and the USD appreciates. There is no reason to think 2020 will be different, even with a controversial president and a once-in-a-generation pandemic. Many would agree that a pullback in equities was coming ahead of both fundamentals and technicals. However, there is a clear sign that the US presidential election is beginning to creep into trading. Something that will build further leading into the first presidential debate on September 29. From there, dates to watch include 15 and October 22, which are the second and third debates, and then the day that matters is November 3. Going forward, the dollar basket is the market to watch, and considering ETA coming from a very low base, having been sold off in droves in the past 4 months, a steeper than normal 8-week presidential election trade could eventuate, especially as the polls narrow and polls from swing states get released. We are moving into an interesting short-term period, one that is likely to present interesting trade opportunities, but we will also see strong bouts of volatility, so be on guard for gapping and trade spikes. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.